Hello, this is Tuhin. I'm going to teach you a technique to how to get rid of the cough that is inside our lungs. Do this and you will see the result that cough will start to come out and you will feel very good. But the process is little bit hard, so follow it, and after that drink some water. It is going to be hard on your chest and body if you are having cough, but do it, you will get the result. Okay, the first is breathe in, and then this lip should be under like this. So I'm going to breathe in for once and I'm going to throw out the air from my mouth 5 times. Okay, this is how I do it. I do it for 5 times. You will feel the heat in your chest. It is very good and your cough will start to move. So the second method is breathe in from your nose 5 times and breathe out once only, but your lips should be under like that. So I'm going to demonstrate. This is the second method. Now the final method will be like this. Take a little rest. Relax your body a little. Okay, the final method will be the combination of both. 5 times from the mouth and 5 times from the mouth. Okay, like this only. Do it and you will see the result. I'm sorry for repeating. Like this. Do it every day, twice. I'm a little bit tired, but I have did this and I also get rid of corona by this method and I love it. For many years I have suffered from this asthma, but after doing this I do not suffer that much, and